Weapons 2025. Full movie recap and explanation. Released in 2025, Weapons is a horror thriller written and directed by Zach Kreger. The story takes place in the small town of Maybrook, Pennsylvania, where an unexplainable event shakes the entire community. In the middle of the night, at exactly 2:17 a.m., 17 third-grade children disappear from their homes, all except one, a boy named Alex Lilly. What follows is a terrifying unraveling of secrets, trauma, and supernatural horror. Main characters: Justine Gandy, an elementary school teacher whose entire class vanishes overnight. She becomes one of the central figures of suspicion and grief. Archer Graff, a father who loses his child during the disappearance and takes it upon himself to find answers. Alex Lilly, the only child left behind, whose perspective reveals much of the film's mystery. Gladys, Alex's great aunt, a sinister figure with supernatural powers who becomes the heart of the terror. Story breakdown, chronological order. The vanishing. At 2:17 a.m., every child from Justine's third-grade class walks out of their homes and vanishes into the night. The entire town erupts in fear and confusion. Justine is blamed and put on leave by Principal Marcus as suspicion falls on her. Alex's perspective. Alex Lilly, the only survivor, is shown living in his family's home. The windows are covered with newspapers. The house feels unsettling, and his parents appear unwell. It's revealed that his great-aunt Gladys has a disturbing influence over him and his family. Gladys's powers. Gladys is revealed to be a witch-like figure. She drains life energy from others, leaving Alex's parents in a catatonic state. She manipulates Alex through fear, controlling his actions while holding terrible secrets in the basement. Multiple POVs. The movie shifts between different perspectives. Justine struggling with guilt, Archer searching for his child, Police Officer Paul trying to investigate, and Marcus dealing with the chaos. Each character uncovers a piece of the puzzle, but the true horror always circles back to Alex and Gladys. The climax. It's revealed that Gladys had kidnapped and imprisoned the missing children in her basement, using her powers to control and silence them. Alex finally confronts her influence, and with the town in turmoil, the truth about Gladys's dark nature is exposed. The ending, Gladys, is ultimately destroyed, but the film leaves unsettling questions. Was her power truly gone, or had it spread into the town itself? The story ends on an ambiguous, haunting note, reminding us that evil often survives in ways we can't fully understand. Themes and meaning. Grief and trauma, how families and communities collapse under the weight of tragedy. Fear of the unknown, ordinary people discovering horror right in their neighborhood. The abuse of power. Gladys represents unchecked power, feeding on the innocent to sustain herself.